That's okay, we'll give it to
I'll give it to everyone.
Okay.
For you, just fine.
Thank you very much.
So please, music school where to go and live there?
Oh, it's Cypriot.
Yep.
That's lovely.
I said it wrong. I'm sorry.
You've been there.
Memorial plaque that represents the place of the former Jewish synagogue. So on this corner, there it was, and it was one of the most beautiful buildings in the city and so on. It was before World War II, and I will tell you the whole story later. Beginning of the beginning. When Romans came here, they found many towns, places that were already populated because there was a summer river there, lots of food, lots of water, the climate was good, the Pushkagora mountain was close, so it shielded them from storms and so on. The people who lived here were Salt and many tough groups and so on. However, Romans, as you know, they had this idea of Romanization and to bring forth the people who lived here were Celts and Illyrians, subgroups and so on. However, Romans, as you know, they had this idea of Romanization and to bring forth Latin culture and so on. And they decided to found a colony here, a town at the beginning. It was a part of the Roman Empire from the switch of the millennia. So the first data that we have about Romans coming to these parts, it's from the year 9. So basically at the very beginning of the new era.
So we have here exhibited in the smaller ones, the biggest ones, and we've got at least 3 depots and a huge cellar with stone monuments. Because you've got architectural elements, lots of that, because of huge monumental buildings that we built. And this is center, so you can imagine a little bit here. So it's huge sarcophagus. And it's got scene with Apollo competing in music competition with Marcia.
He reclaims it for the Habsburg Empire, the future Austria-Hungary. So, these are huge lands that come under the power of Christians once again, and these conquests are so large that they don't even know what to do with all of this land. So, the emperor finds a solution, as it usually goes. So he has some very powerful friends, some very powerful noblemen, and he starts giving them lands. So you can have this one, you can have this one, and so on. And the region of Sremska. So, the Museum of Strength has two buildings. We already visited the first one. It is only Roman. It's about the Roman times. And this building is everything that comes after Romans. So we said that after the Avars, there is a short period of Germanic and Avars and many other peoples coming through these parts. And this part here is from the 11th century. maybe you've seen it before. When representing Saint Nicholas, painters always paint him with a kind of a hat that is called kamilavka. Here he has no hat.
Воскресение Христово видевши, поклонимся святому Господу Иисусу, единому безгрешному. Кресту Твоему поклоняемся, Христе, и святое воскресение Твое поем и славим. Ти, еси Бог наш, святое иного незнанием, имя Твое именуем. Придите сие, поклонимся святому Христову воскресению, сего приде крестом радость всему миру, всех благословляще Господа. Поем воскресение Его, распятие Его претерпие, смертью смерть разруши.
If you'll come up with the interest to have the group of travel to states and maybe visit some university or do lectures or something, keep our contact in mind, because we can set it up and we can work out the arrangements. We have the transportation, we have lots of contacts and sponsors, supporters.
When those damn Swiss, they built a longer bridge, and this is no longer the longest. So it is the second longest. Okay. So it, as I told you before, it connects two very significant geographical poles. This here, where we are now, is Central Europe, and that over there is the Southern Europe, and that's the Balkans right over there. And of course, we cannot do it. So. And as we said before, this was the historical boundary border between the Austria-Hungary that was here.
California, San Bernardino, California, that heaven on the earth.
Thank you.
We're the oldest club in our district. The reason for the existence of the city is a transportation hub. It's a crossroads of major.
Отлично. Красавец, красавец. Красавец, выпускай. Красавец, красавец. Морковка ждет меня, а у нас нет морковки. Тень. Оп.